Hello everyone. Nasdaq and the S&P 500 surged to fresh highs on Monday, kicking off the week on a strong note. Now the US 500 broke and closed above 6,600 for the first time, supported by the strong momentum we saw in tech names yesterday. Now this week the focus shifts on whether this breakout can be sustained, with the Fed meeting and the US-China talks set to drive volatility. Let's check the technicals. On the daily chart, the index pushed above its long summer bullish trend, marking a key technical breakout. 6,600 has now flipped to support, while the next key resistance levels stand at 6,625 and 6,640. If buyers maintain this momentum, upside targets could extend towards 6,675 and even 6,720, but a drop back below 6,600 would suggest a failed breakout, shifting focus back to 6,540 and 6,500 as critical downside levels. Now zooming into the 4-hour chart, a bullish local trend has been intact since September 2, supported by a clear series of higher lows. Earlier, we saw a tight consolidation zone between 6,580 and 6,600, which has now resolved to the upside, confirming buyer strength. As long as 6,600 holds as support, momentum stays with the bulls, and the main resistance at 6,675. However, falling back under 6,600 could quickly flip this breakout, opening the door to 6,540 and 6,500. This week's Fed decision and the US-China talks will be pivotal. Even if the Fed delivers a rate cut, much of that move is already priced in, raising the risk of a classic sell the fact reaction as traders lock in gains. Any hawkish surprise or negative geopolitical headlines could accelerate profit taking.